today. I'm going to show you what's in this fridge. I've got two fridges, but this is the main one because it's the big one. So I'll show you what's in there.
Okay, so on the top shelf I've got yogurts for the kids. They're pretty cheap, there's ones, it's good. Some leftover asparagus in that one. This one is just some roast veggies from last night, carrot, broccoli and roasted veggies. That's one chicken I just popped in there. Got some canned spaghetti. This was Hudson's leftovers from this morning, so he'll eat that later. If not, Lachlan, my hungry son, will come home later. I've got a half a stuffed sweet potato from yesterday. My god, these things are the bomb. Got some yogurts in here. I buy different yogurt. James doesn't like pulpy sort of ones, so actually this one the kids eat. That one's raspberry, and Hudson and James love the vanilla yogurt. So I've got normally oh yeah, in the door. I'll show you in a sec. Yeah. Hudson and James will eat the vanilla ones. I like the sort of other flavoured ones. Second shelf, I've got a piece of pumpkin, 92 cents from the Spud Shed, so that was pretty cool. Yeah, I was pretty annoyed actually because I wasn't going to go to Spud Shed the other day because it was so busy, so I just drove past. And I paid $3 for a piece of pumpkin down at the shops, fruit and veg shop. Got some blueberries left. I've been loving these, just putting these on the side with my brekkies. Sorry about my whiskers. Couple of Pink Lady apples. I've got this big container here that was full of grapes. Not that many left in there now. These green grapes were $2.99 at the Spud Shed. I paid bloody $8.99 the other day. Shoot me. We got some Up and Goes there, 6 packs. They were on special half price for about $4.30 in Woolies, so I grabbed some of those. Bum nuts. Can't go without my bum nuts. And here we've got leftover roast pork from last night's dinner. That was beautiful. The kids have all got roast beef and mustard rolls today. Big bag of oranges. Got some sugar-free Kirk's lemonade. I bought this the other day. Just they were $5 for a carton. 10 cans in there, so that's pretty good. In the drawer, I've got some spring onion. My radishes. There's cucumber, and I've got 3 zucchinis in here too, so I'm actually thinking of doing turtles for dinner tonight. Another, oh no, it's not another, it's the lettuce. I'm saying another because I actually did have 2. That was so cheap. And in the door, down the bottom, some hollow milk, James Lemon Lime Bitters. Got some almond milk. I love this stuff, but I only really use it in my oats, and that's about it. I've got green olives too, if anyone else knows. Those were supposed to be for barley, but I didn't end up taking them. Got some chicken, thinly sliced chicken. I'm just going to use that for sangers. That's been thawing out, so that'll be alright to eat for today. Got these little yogurts from Aldi. These are really nice. So a little bit more expensive than what you'd pay for a big tub, but the flavours are really good. It's like a citrus cheesecake, blueberry, passion fruit. There was a strawberry, a peach and mango one, and maybe a coconut one, I'm going to say. But yeah, they're all really nice. Got some light ricotta. Here's the yogurt I was telling you about. This one is a no fat one. That's James's. I love coconut yogurt, but they're quite high in fat, so I tend not to go near them. But I bought some of this one to go with my blueberries, and oh my god, it's like you're eating dessert. So saturated with this label, there is 3.2 grams of saturated and 166 calories. So per serving, that's 175 grams, but I just actually weighed out 100 in my little bowl and had that, and it was so yum. So yeah, I can't wait to make some overnight oats. Might actually do that today. But yeah, if I do, you'll see. What else have I got? Oh, purple onion. I've got some hummus in here. I love hummus with capsicum and carrot, and I just put some sweet chili sauce in there. So good. Spreadable light cream cheese just for crackers with some lunch meat in it. Got some organic coconut flour. Some hickory brown sugar barbecue sauce. I don't really like this stuff, but it's good on ribs and stuff like that. And the top shelf has your quartz for hotto and dry, little straws in there. Got a cup with water, and this is some coriander from my garden. If you put herbs in, maybe not, you know, swimming in it like that, but put some herbs in a cup, just leave the stems in, you'll be surprised how long they'll stay beautiful for. So good. So this is going to be on top of my sweet potato I'm having for lunch. Oh, I got this, thought I'd give it a go. Roasted beetroot hummus, don't really like it at all. Scarlett doesn't want it, so I'll let her eat that as an afternoon snack. And the last little bit, there's a couple of lemons, Cracker Barrel cheese, and one Baby Bell left. So that's my fridge, not looking too bad.